of you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Billy J. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I specialize in bringing you the latest, most affordable synthetic wigs. Today is no different. We're gonna be doing a wig from Outre Perfect Hairline, and it's gonna be Charlyn. You're looking like a darling. So I'm really excited about this wig because it's perfect for fall. From the colorway to the curls to the blend to the length, this wig is gorgeous. Got her in the color DRFF4 Honey Auburn. When it comes to cap construction, this wig is a 13x6 HD lace frontal. She comes with 2 combs in the front, adjustable band for the secure glueless installs, along with your traditional adjustable straps in the back and 1 comb. After I cut the lace, I'm gonna go ahead and put her on, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, girl? So this is how she looks initially. This is how y'all be wearing y'all wigs like a motherfucking hat. You need to pull that bitch back, okay? Yeah, just right about there to your hairline. So you see what I'm doing right here? Rookie move. You do not want to put duck clips in your hair when it is a curly synthetic unit. That is just going to make it frizz more. I'm gonna learn my lesson, but in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and color this lace in with my contour stick, blend it in with my makeup brush, and then we're going to adhere this unit to my head using my Kiss Colors wig spray. Even experts fuck up sometimes. You want to make sure that you're holding that nozzle straight to where you want it to spray, because if not, you're going to get in your eye, and I cannot be held liable for that, okay? So when it comes to adhering the wig, I always like to spray first on my ear tops, hold it down, and then I spray on top of the lace as it is. I'm just going to be cutting some of the baby hairs because I want baby hairs, not adults, okay? This is how it looks in the middle part, and this is why I don't understand. I wish they would stop making curly units to be a 13x6, because when I go to part that hole, and because it's a synthetic curly unit, all you're doing is just adding more frizz on the unit. So why are you giving me that much parting space when I don't even need it? Do you see what's happening right here? Do you see what's happening right here? I had so much frizz by the end of this unit, but I still made it work. I still made it work because why? I'm a professional. Thank you. Not gonna lie, I really didn't know about this wig. Like, I didn't know if it was gonna work for me, but as soon as I flipped to the side, I said, oh yeah, this is how it's gonna stay. This is gonna be it. I'm just gonna put a little bit of final touches on it, and this is gonna be what it's gonna be, because anything else, the wig is gonna continue to frizz up, and then it's gonna be unwearable. It's already synthetic. We want to at least try to get some longevity out of it, okay? Style heavily reminded me, I think she was an IG model stylist. She was Rick Ross's girlfriend at the time. Her name is Aisha Tara, and she used to always rock this curly hairstyle. So I really like this wig for what it is right now. I don't think it has any longevity to it, but if you really like, you can go out and get her. She's perfect for the fall season. Thank you guys so much for watching. Continue to stay beautiful, stay blessed, never stress, no less. Love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.
I just wanna pull up the Maybach and bring the Maybach. Please obey